to go through here and give you a full demo of how the remote works on our Plus and Pro cable-based moving target system. Running through here, wherever you turn the target carriage on at and the remote on at, it's a 0 position. If you go ahead and push 1, the target will move out 1 meter. If you hit 0, it'll go back 1 meter. Same if you hit 3 and maybe add a 1 to it, you get a total of 4. And the target knows where it's at, so it'll go there and stop. You hit a 0, it'll go back to 0. To change the speed is on the bottom right. You tap it and it'll say the speed in miles per hour. Starting at 3 miles per hour when you turn it on, up to 10 feet per second. On the bottom right of the speed control is hold on and hold off. That tells the target to either keep the motors awake or asleep when it's reached its end destination. It's great for high wind or going up and down hills, but it will kill the battery faster. And on the bottom left, you have the acceleration setting. By default, it's normal, but it's also possible to have it in high. If you want to auto jump to the highest speed, highest acceleration, you're going to hold down the speed button. Until it says max speed, max acceleration. When you do that, it'll get you to 10 feet per second, high acceleration, hold on. You're going to kill the battery the fastest doing this, but it's the quickest and most snappy you're going to get out of the target system. Okay. If at any point the target is moving and you need to stop it for an emergency, the red button is emergency stop. If you want to put it in moving target mode, you're going to select M for moving target mode. It's going to ask you to select a max distance. We're going to select 3 meters. Then you can set the remote down and the target will move back and forth automatically between 0 and 3 meters until you tell it to stop. To get out of that, you're just going to hit the 0 button and it's going to return to the start point. To go into random movement mode, you're going to hit the R button. It's going to ask you to select a max distance. We're going to say 3 meters again. And the target's going to move to random positions until you tell it to stop. It'll also say on the screen what random position it's going to. To get out of that, you're going to hit the 0 button again. The last, and probably the best feature, is the ability to make a recording. To make a recording, you're going to hold down the P button. It's going to say creating a new recording. To save positions, you're going to hit the 20 button, and then to finish the recording, you're going to tap P. So I'm going to save the first position. I'm going to save 1. Back to 0. Save again. Then I'm going to go out to 3. Save. We'll say 6. Save. Then I'm going to go 3 again. Save. 0. Save. To finish the recording, I'm going to hit P. I'm just going to say recording saved. To play back the recording, you just tap the P button and it'll say playing, and it'll tell you where the target's going to as it's playing the recording. This is great if you're running a course or a match and you want everyone to have the same exposure. If you turn the remote on and off, you will lose that recording.